Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Higher Personality. If you've ever felt taken for granted or felt like you're just an option, not a priority. Do you dream of having that special someone yearn for your presence, even if she's shown little interest before? If so, you're in the right place. Today, I'm unveiling 7 game-changing tips that will make any woman miss you like crazy. The truth is, with the right strategies and mindset, you can make any woman miss you, regardless of the stage of your relationship. So whether you're trying to reignite the spark with your long-term partner or catch the eye of someone new, these 7 proven tips will have her yearning for your attention in no time. Stay tuned. Number 1. Don't contact her. The first rule for making a woman miss you is simple. Don't contact her. Now, I know this might sound counterintuitive, especially when you're eager to grab her attention. However, giving her space is one of the most effective ways to make her realize your value and start missing your presence. It's all about creating a void that only you can fill. You've probably heard the saying, "Absence makes the heart grow fonder," and it couldn't be more accurate in this context. By distancing yourself and limiting your contact, you're allowing her to experience what life is like without you. This absence will make her reflect on the moments you've shared, the conversations you've had, and the connection you've built. The longing she feels during this time apart can reignite her interest and make her appreciate your presence more than ever. Avoid excessive texting or calling. Resist the urge to constantly text or call her, even if you're tempted to share something exciting or check in on her day. While it's essential to maintain communication in a relationship, bombarding her with messages can come across as needy or desperate. Instead, opt for quality over quantity. When you do reach out, make sure it's meaningful and adds value to the conversation. Give her space to wonder about you. Let her mind wander and think about you in your absence. By not always being readily available, you create a sense of mystery and intrigue. She'll start to wonder what you're doing, who you're with, and why you haven't reached out. This curiosity can be a powerful tool in making her miss you. So embrace the silence and let her come to you. Trust me, it'll make your eventual interactions more meaningful and memorable. Remember, the key is to strike a balance between showing interest and maintaining your independence. By following these tips and giving her the space to miss you, you'll be on your way to capturing her attention and reigniting the spark in your relationship. Number 2. Show her you're still living your life. Live your life to the fullest, and make sure she knows it. One of the best ways to make a woman miss you is by demonstrating your independence, confidence, and zest for life. Showcasing that you're thriving without her can pique her interest and make her wonder what she's missing out on. Confidence and independence are incredibly attractive qualities. When you prioritize your well-being, pursue your passions, and enjoy your life, it sends a clear message that you're a catch. It also shows her that you're not dependent on her for happiness, which can be a refreshing change from the usual dynamics she might be used to. Post interesting updates on social media. Share snippets of your adventures, achievements, and experiences on social media platforms. Whether it's a hiking trip, a new hobby you've picked up, or a personal milestone you've achieved, let her see that you're making the most out of life. Share your adventures and achievements with mutual friends. Word of mouth can be a powerful tool. When mutual friends talk about your exciting endeavors, it amplifies the message that you're living your best life, making her more curious about what you're up to. Number 3. Don't give in to the attention. When she does reach out, don't jump at the chance to respond immediately. While it may be tempting to reply right away, playing hard to get can create intrigue and make her more interested in pursuing you. Playing hard to get can be a double-edged sword. While it creates intrigue and maintains a sense of mystery, it also shows her that you're not always available, which can increase your perceived value in her eyes. Wait a reasonable amount of time before responding. Instead of replying instantly, take some time to craft a thoughtful response. This shows that you're not sitting by your phone waiting for her messages and have other priorities. Be casual and nonchalant in your replies. When you do respond, Keep it casual and avoid appearing too eager. A laid-back approach can make you seem more confident and less desperate for her attention. Number 4, don't be eager. Be vague. Keep her guessing about your feelings and intentions. While it's essential to be genuine, maintaining an element of mystery can keep her intrigued and curious about your true feelings. Mystery sparks curiosity. By not revealing everything about yourself too quickly, you create a sense of intrigue that makes her want to learn more about you. Don't reveal everything about yourself too quickly. While it's important to be open and honest, avoid sharing every detail about your life right away. Let her discover more about you over time, creating a natural progression in your relationship. Use open-ended responses to keep conversations going. Instead of giving direct answers, use open-ended responses that encourage further conversation. This keeps the dialogue flowing and allows you to maintain control over the direction of the conversation. Number 5. Create jealousy. A little bit of jealousy can go a long way in making her miss you. While you don't want to hurt or manipulate her, subtly showcasing that you're desirable and have other options can reignite her interest. It shows her that you're desirable and have other options, making her realize that she could potentially lose you to someone else if she doesn't act quickly. Mention other female friends or acquaintances casually. Talk about your interactions with other female friends or acquaintances in a casual and nonchalant manner. This can make her realize that you're a sought-after individual. Be discreet and subtle to avoid unnecessary drama. While creating jealousy can be effective, it's essential to be discreet and subtle to avoid unnecessary drama or hurt feelings. The goal is to pique her interest, not make her feel insecure or threatened. Number 6. Giving her a unique nickname. Personalize your interactions with a unique and endearing nickname. A special nickname can create a bond between the two of you and make your interactions more memorable. It creates a special connection between the two of you, making her feel valued and appreciated. A unique nickname sets you apart from others and shows that you pay attention to the details. Choose a nickname that is meaningful or related to an inside joke. Pick a nickname that resonates with her personality, interests, or an inside joke that only the two of you share. This personalized touch can make her feel special and cherished. Use it sparingly to maintain its specialness. While it's tempting to use the nickname frequently, it's essential to use it sparingly to maintain its specialness and prevent it from losing its meaning over time. Number 7. Teach her something new. Offer value by teaching her a new skill or sharing interesting knowledge. Positioning yourself as someone she can learn from and look up to can make you more attractive in her eyes. It positions you as someone she can learn from and look up to, elevating your status and making her see you in a new light. Sharing knowledge and skills creates a bond and fosters a deeper connection between the two of you. Identify her interests and find something relevant to teach. Pay attention to her interests, hobbies, and passions, and find something relevant and valuable to teach her. Whether it's a new hobby, a skill, or interesting facts, tailor your teaching to her preferences to make the experience more enjoyable and beneficial for her. Be patient, supportive, and encouraging during the learning process. Be patient, supportive, and encouraging as you guide her through the learning process. Celebrate her progress and achievements, and make learning together a fun and rewarding experience for both of you. By incorporating these strategies into your interactions and relationships, you can create a lasting impression, spark her interest, and make her miss you even more. Remember, it's all about striking the right balance between showing interest and maintaining your independence. Stay tuned for more relationship tips and advice, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Conclusion. To recap, be unpredictable, maintain a sense of mystery, improve yourself, be supportive but not overly available, and have a fulfilling life outside of the relationship. These strategies, when applied thoughtfully, can significantly increase your allure and make her miss your presence. Remember, making a woman miss you is about creating a balance between showing interest and maintaining your independence. It's essential to be genuine, respectful, and attentive to her feelings and boundaries. Building a strong connection requires mutual effort, understanding, and communication. If you enjoyed this video and found these additional tips helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Higher Personality, hit the bell icon, like, comment, and share with others who might benefit from this advice. Your support helps us create more valuable content to help you navigate the complexities of relationships and personal growth. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and remember, a healthy relationship is built on mutual respect, trust, and understanding. Keep striving to be the best version of yourself, and until next time, take care and good luck on your journey towards creating meaningful connections.